everybody, welcome back to BNR Forever Family. I have the Leilani sculpt here, and we decided to name her Lydia Rose. So that is her name. Her name's Lydia Rose. I just purchased a big box of newborn girl clothes off Facebook for $20. So I would like to just go through this with you guys. Cute little sweater. It's from Carter's and it's newborn. That is so cute. And then it comes with a little onesie. Newborn. And then we got some car seat covers. So cute. I don't know what that is. I believe it's another car seat cover. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. She's wearing this on Sunday for sure. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. She's wearing this on Sunday. She has her little Easter dress. And then cute little tracksuit. Has a little kitty on it on the bum. A Christmas sleeper. Baby's first Christmas. Daddy says I'm awesome. Cute little sleeper. A unicorn shirt. And it comes with a cute little overall dress. That is so cute. Another sweater. Oh my goodness. With a little onesie. Halloween bib. A dinosaur sleeper. Pretty sure Augie could wear this. And I just told you what the Noah Wait Kit's name is. His name is Augie. Named him Augie. Oh my goodness, they're like little tights. That is so cute. They are going to be way too big for her though. That is so cute. It's like a little puppy on the butt. Or a bunny. There's so much in this box. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hold on, I'm going to flip the camera. I'm back. I just had to flip the camera. So yeah. This is half of it right here. And then a whole lot easier to do it with 2 hands. A cute little hedgehog sleeper. Some cute little pants. Some more pants. Cute little romper. My favorite color. It's a little onesie. Little cupcakes. Long sleeve. And it has like little dinosaurs all over it. It is so cute with like flowers. All this is newborn or 0 to 3. But most of it's newborn. Yellow. Cute little sleeper, which I will probably donate because I don't really like dark colors on my babies. So, probably just donate that one. And then a long sleeve onesie. Another sleeper with no feeties, but that is so cute. And then a Gerber onesie. Ooh, this has like sparkles on it. Little sleeper. Some more pants with ruffles on the bum. Pink and blue pair. Ruffles on the bum. Bunny pants. There, that's our outfit for Sunday. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite. It's newborn and it's fluffy and it has flowers all over it. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Another cupcake onesie. Or, oh, got 2 of those. An owl sleeper. And then another sleeper. And then some blankets, receiving blanket. And then another receiving blanket. This one has popsicles on it. It's so cute. So yeah. She has her outfit for Sunday. She's going to wear this shirt with these pants with like little feeties. And then she's going to wear her blue bow for sure. So yeah. That is everything in the box. And I just want to thank everybody for watching. Bye!